There are mainly 3 points for the determination of cardiac tamponade. The first is the amount of fluid, meaning the amount of blood accumulating in the pericardial sac leading to pericardial effusion, later becoming cardiac tamponade due to the compression of heart. The second is the rapidity of accumulation, meaning the speed with which the blood is accumulating in the pericardial sac. The third is the compliance, meaning the stretchability of the heart, because the stretchability of the heart depends upon end diastolic volume. If end diastolic volume is low, then stretch of the heart will be low, which will lead to low contraction of the heart, and low contraction of the heart sums up to low stroke volume. And this whole phenomena is described by Frank Starling law. And if you don't want to remember these three main points for the determination of cardiac tamponade, then you should remember that if IPP, meaning the intrapericardial pressure, is greater than 15 millimeter of mercury, then there will be cardiac tamponade.